Welcome guys. Now you can install KB5013941 bugs. Many problems solved in this update. Actually, Microsoft launched this update when many problem in this laptop and desktop like Bloodum and lot of I think five issue in this updates. So now Microsoft solved this problem. So firstly, how to install latest update and then talk about the issue. So now I want to download. So firstly, actually, uh, 10th May to 2020 you can install 64-bit. So you can click and then click to link. I will give you link in description, so you can click, otherwise copy paste and the new tab and then download. So now this is downloading. Click to show all. So this is downloading, so please wait few minutes. So now I want to talk with the issues, this is the error code and Bloodum and a lot of apps is not working, .NET related issue. So a lot of issue. So Microsoft finally fix this problem. So now this is installing, so you can install now. This is not problem because recently updated Microsoft KB5013941. So guys, finally install. Click to update. So actually I have already I am dual time to click, so showing this error. So you don't worry,